How to share your Facebook profile link. It's very simple to find your Facebook profile link. Simply open the Facebook app on your device, go to your menu option. After that, open your profile. In your Facebook profile, scroll to the top and here you will see a three-dot icon. Sometimes it can be next to your bio or at the top right corner. Inside your profile settings, if you scroll down to the bottom, you should see your profile link. Along with that, you will also see the option of copy link. Click on the copy link to copy the link on your clipboard. Now you can use that link any way that you like. You can send it to your friends through Messenger or you can open it on your web browser. Additionally, also check for any kind of updates that may be available for Facebook. For that, open App Store or Play Store on your device. Then go to the search bar on the top and type in Facebook. As you can see, you can paste your Facebook link just like this. After searching for Facebook, look for any kind of updates that may be available. Click on the update option if it's available to update the app. That's all for today. Thank you.